talking about trauma sensitive environments, our aim is that we want to be able to support children and reduce the amount of time that they spend in that heightened state of fight or flight, that sense of survival. How can you best support a stressful or anxious time during the day, be it drop off or pick up? So, one activity is when you're getting ready to say goodbye, is to eliminate the unknown goodbye. And we would bring out that circle of security script in the approach for drop offs, just to make sure that what we're saying is consistent. And Crystal is going to break down for us the circle of security coming up really soon. We've also talked about those small group transitions because that reduces the noise level. Because when we move only a small group of children, that reduces wait time. Children are allowed to engage deeper with educators in smaller groups. We have it really clearly written out. And Crystal, you nailed it. It's consistent routines. So when we do that, think about the less noise, how we reduce those heightened behaviors. We've given them warnings when those transitions are going to be taking place because we want to reduce the impact of anxiety in young children, that sense of the unknown. And we're going to co-develop those classroom expectations and those rules with the children. Are we doing that so that they can control it? So that it's their way or the highway? Because they have the right to agency? Nope. No, we're going to co-develop these classroom rules so they know what we are expecting of them. Once again, we're going to reduce their anxiety. We're going to help them. We're going to give them those warnings. Maybe we show them the timer. Okay. When 2 minutes is up, the sand is going to be down, and then it's going to be time for you to pack away the shovels, and we're going to walk down the stairs, and we're going to go into the classroom. You give them those warnings. That will reduce. Will it remove any and all behaviors? Maybe not, but we're going to definitely reduce some of their anxiety, which puts them into that heightened state of fight or flight. And then we're going to build our program around the children and their strengths. We're going to make sure that we have a strength-based approach. We put things out in our environment that are interest-based, strength-based. Because when they feel confident that, hey, if I do that, I'm going to succeed at it, they feel confident and want to join in. Some children are not yet able to do new tasks and persevere. So why are we making them? Why aren't we meeting them at their level? So in a trauma-informed environment, you're going to have a range of resources and activities, and some of them you know confidently that those children will succeed at. And that will, again, create that space where those children that have experienced trauma will be able to flourish.